Marinate shrimp, a flavorful journey. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious and commonly used phrase in cooking, marinate shrimp. This phrase isn't just about cooking. It's a fantastic way to explore the English language and culture. So, let's get started and explore what it means to marinate shrimp, how it's done, and why it's important in culinary arts. Marinate is a verb that refers to soaking food, especially meat or seafood, in a marinade. A marinade is a mixture of ingredients like oil, vinegar, spices, and herbs. The purpose of marinating is to enhance flavor and often to tenderize the food. The process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the recipe and the type of food. Shrimp are a popular seafood choice around the world. They are known for their mild flavor and firm texture, which makes them perfect for marinating. Shrimp can absorb flavors well, making them a versatile ingredient in various cuisines. 1. Choosing the marinade. Select a marinade that complements the shrimp's flavor. This could be a mix of citrus juices, herbs, garlic, or spices. 2. Preparing the shrimp. Clean and devein the shrimp. If needed, remove shells. 3. Marinating process. Place the shrimp in the marinade, ensuring they are fully covered. Refrigerate for the recommended time, usually between 30 minutes to a few hours. 4. Cooking. After marinating, cook the shrimp as desired, grilling, frying, or baking. Do not over-marinate. Shrimp can become mushy if left in the marinade for too long. Acidic ingredients. Lemon or lime juice can add a zesty flavor but can also cook the shrimp if left for too long. Experiment with flavors. Feel free to try different herbs and spices to find your favorite marinade. Marinating shrimp is a simple yet effective way to add extraordinary flavors to your dishes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, understanding how to marinate shrimp can elevate your cooking. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.